Welcome to our Montessori Training Centre today. I'm taking you behind the scenes as we work with one of the most facilitating Montessori sensorial materials. This material you're seeing here is called Binomial Cube and Trinomial Cube. These beautiful wooden puzzles, it might look like an ordinary block, but they are packed with layers of learning and brain building magic. So whether you are a parent, or a teacher or a school owner, this is something you might want to pay very close attention to. This is a binomial cube. Um, at first glance, it looks like a cube building puzzle with colored block, but it's much more than that. Montessori materials are intentionally designed to build the child's brain through hands-on, through logical exploration. This binomial cube, it represents the algebraic expression, the a plus b raised to power 3. But don't worry, we are not teaching a 3-year-old algebra. We are planting the seed. Children around 3.5 to 4 years old, they begin working with these materials as a sensorial activity. They are simply matching shapes and colors to reconstruct the cube. But what is really happening is that they are intentionally internalizing the concepts of parts, forming a whole. They are working on their spatial reasoning and mathematical order. So this material, this activity helps to develop the discrimination, the fine motor control, the memory and sequencing, and the early logical thinking. So how we have, notice that notice how we don't give a lot of verbal instruction. We allow the child, notice how we don't give a lot of verbal instructions in this presentation. We allow the child to discover, we allow them to match, to build, and to learn through doing. So this is the heart of Montessori education. Okay, so this one we are seeing with me here is called the trinomial cube. Now let's move on to this trinomial cube, because it represents the expression just like the binomial cube represents a plus b raised to power 3, but this one represents a plus b plus c in brackets slash power 3. We are not teaching this formula, we are laying the foundation. So this material has 27 pieces and it looks even more complex, but is introduced after the child has mastered the binomial cube. Okay, so they come to these materials with confidence, with curiosity, and an eagerness to explore further. So the trinomial cube prepares the child for algebraic understanding in a tangible, in a hands-on way. It strengthens their problem-solving skills and it encourages concentration, patience, and order. So it's a bridge between the sensorial work and abstract mathematics. And the beauty of this is that the child doesn't need to be told they are doing something advanced. They are enjoying it. They feel capable. They feel smart. So imagine a child who has worked with these materials from age 3 to 6. By the time they meet algebra later in the school, it's not scary. It's familiar. They are familiar with it. That is what Montessori does. Montessori prepares children for life by Montessori prepares children for life by making learning natural, by making it joyful and making it meaningful. So Montessori materials you see here, it speaks to the child's mind. It speaks to their hands. So that's why we don't rush into abstract learning. We give them concrete experiences that grow into understanding through that grow into true understanding. Okay, so if you're watching this and you're thinking, wow, I wish I had learned this, this is your chance. So you can join our professional diploma in Montessori and early childhood education. Whether you are a teacher and you want to become a certified Montessori educator, or you're a school owner who wants to upgrade your staff, or you're a parent and you want to equip yourself with the right knowledge, this training is for you. We offer both online and on-site classes, and you will receive a professional diploma certificate, the two specialized certificates in Montessori education and early childhood care and education. It's going to be live and recorded classes, tons of resources, demonstration videos, and support. So bonuses like job lead, CV templates, and interview preparation kits that will help you to stand out. So don't just admire Montessori, learn it, master it, and transform children's life with it. This is your opportunity, this is your chance. Okay, so click the link or message us today to secure your spot. The training is starting June 7th, and we can't wait to welcome you. Okay, I'm looking forward to see you in class. Bye for now.
Daddy never wanted a dancer anyway, but just what made